ASUS SFF-Ready RTX 5080, the compact beast every Mini-ITX builder wants. Ever felt like your GPU is a bloated beast, squeezing into your case like an uninvited guest at a cozy dinner party, choking on cables and heat? That cramped frustration where dreams of 4K glory clash with reality's tight spaces. Share your wildest build fail in the comments if this mini nightmare rings true. It's the sly sabotage that turns a sleek SFF rig into a sweaty compromise. Now amp the torment. Deadlines devouring your render times, stress surging like a throttled frame rate, burnout crashing harder than a driver glitch. Your setup wheezes under load, passion projects pixelating into procrastination pits. But what if one card could rewrite the rules? Envision unleashing fury without the bulk or bellowing fans. Unleash the ASUS SFF-Ready Prime GeForce RTX 5080, the sly 2.5 slot ninja of NVIDIA's Blackwell revolution, cramming 16 GB GDDR7 VRAM and 2640 MHz boost clocks into a compact chassis that whispers sweet nothings to small form factor dreams. Picture a nomadic creator, lugging a backpack rig to a client meet, firing up the vapor chamber cooling to render 8K timelines via PCI Express 5.0 without a thermal whimper. The Axial-tech fans spinning silent symphonies, barrier rings channeling cool breezes like a pro. Or that SFF zealot in a sub-15-liter case, flipping the dual BIOS to quiet mode for late-night edits. The phase change thermal pad zapping heat like magic, keeping temps under 70 degrees Celsius even as DLSS 4 sharpens rays in real time. Native DP 2.1a by 3 and HDMI 2.1b by 2 beam 4K HDR to multiple monitors, while the shortened PCB slips into NR 200p nooks where rivals balk. Feel that sleek thrill, the subtle whir of efficient spins, the crisp click of overclocked glory? This isn't just silicon, it's a space-defying sorcerer, weighing light, yet flexing 13% over RX 7900 XTX in benchmarks, with 2 to 3% edges on Founders Editions for that primal punch. Why shackle your vision to oversized hulks when this black beauty, 304 by 126 by 50 millimeters, turns tiny tombs into titan arenas? Thousands of builders are obsessed, lauding its no-RGB purity and future-proof ports. Insider perk. Linger for the BIOS tweak that one whisperer claims unlocked silent overclocks. If you're battling bulky blues or thermal tantrums, this could crown your compact kingdom. Shift to supremacy. Efficiency erupts as you zero in on zeniths, not zigzags. Imagine squads syncing via high bandwidth bliss, rendering realms redundant while performance pulses like a flawless framestorm. That hypnotic high of maxed ray-traced vistas, the gentle hush of sustained surges SNS sweat sessions. A premier hardware haven hailed. The ASUS SFF-Ready Prime RTX 5080 is a masterclass in engineering for compact PCs. Its 2.5 slot vapor chamber cooler keeps temps and noise low under load in sub-15-liter cases, delivering frame rates rivaling full-sizers for high-end SFF dreams. An analyst spotlighted. ASUS astutely capitalizes on the booming SFF trend, capturing a dedicated market with premium engineering that builds trust via SFF-ready branding. Influencer fire? An SFF builder buzzed in their vid. The card I've awaited for my Mini-ITX fantasy. Blistering 4K gaming. Efficient cooling that chills my whole system quieter than predecessors. Fitting where high-ends fail. Essential for no-compromise minis. User echoes roar. An enthusiast gushed. SFF power without throttling or racket. The vapor chamber transforms temps, 16 GB GDDR7 fuels future-proof edits and games. A traveler added, backpack beast with top-tier punch, dual BIOS rocks, quiet for work, performance for play. Another cheered, zero clearance in my NR 200p, superb quality shining through glass, brute force meets brainy design. Doubters? Markup stings, sure, but that 10% RX leap and DLSS edge silence the spend. See why compact cults can't cease chattering? Which wizardry? The whisper quiet fans or DLSS force sorcery? would wizard your workflow. Confess below, let's blueprint battles. Doesn't that liberated latency taste tantalizing, like outpacing the ordinary in your own pocket fortress? Stock evaporating quicker than a frame drop in these SFF-ready saviors. Join the cadre of creators and casers who've escalated to unchained utopia. One reviewer murmured, ASUS maximizing SFF-ready criteria pays off. Peak temp under 70 degrees Celsius, one of the best cooling SFF GPUs. Pounce before their phantoms. Unlock the exclusive phase change pad ritual for temp taming tweaks and seize SFF sovereignty. Comment yes if you're geared for the glow up. Plunge now, redefine your rig, and banish bulk forever.